learning to wait. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Lily. She was known for her boundless energy and enthusiasm, always eager to take on new challenges. However, there was one quality she lacked: patience. Lily struggled with waiting. She found it difficult to endure delays, whether it was waiting in line, waiting for results, or waiting for things to fall into place. Impatience gnawed at her, causing frustration and robbing her of the joy of the present moment. One day, Lily's wise grandmother, Grandma May, noticed her restlessness and decided it was time to impart a valuable lesson. She invited Lily to join her in the garden, where they sat under the shade of a towering oak tree. "Patience is a virtue, my dear," Grandma May began, her eyes filled with wisdom. "It is the art of embracing the present and trusting in the unfolding of life's events. Let me share a story with you." Lily leaned in, eager to absorb her grandmother's wisdom. "Once there was a farmer who planted a young sapling," Grandma May continued. "He watered it diligently, tended to it with care, and eagerly awaited its growth. But the sapling did not sprout as quickly as he had hoped. The farmer grew impatient. Grandma May said, her voice gentle yet firm. He began pulling at the sapling, trying to force it to grow. But each time he did, he only weakened its fragile roots." Lily's eyes widened with realization as she understood the metaphor unfolding before her. After some time, Grandma May continued, the farmer realized the error of his ways. He learned that true growth takes time, and patience is the key to nurturing the seeds of progress. The weight of Grandma May's words sank deep into Lily's heart. She realized that impatience only hindered her own growth and prevented her from fully appreciating the beauty of the present moment. From that day forward, Lily made a conscious effort to cultivate patience. She took deep breaths when faced with delays, reminding herself that everything happens in its own time. She learned to trust in the natural rhythm of life and embraced the lessons hidden within the waiting. As time went on, Lily discovered that patience brought unexpected rewards. She noticed the intricate beauty of a blooming flower, the sweet anticipation before achieving a goal, and the joy of savoring each step of her journey. With newfound patience, Lily's life transformed. She became more present, compassionate, and understanding. She learned to appreciate the process rather than solely focusing on the outcome. Her relationships deepened, her work thrived, and she found contentment in the knowledge that life unfolds perfectly, even in its own time. And so, Lily's journey taught her the invaluable lesson that patience is not merely a virtue, but a guiding force that allows us to embrace the present, nurture our dreams, and find profound joy in the unfolding of our lives.